In this video, let's go through the Yuka app. So here's the app, I just downloaded it and I'm super impressed. So with this app, you can scan your food or beauty products by just scanning barcodes. And then you can just see are they really healthy or not. And then you can see the rating from 0 to 100. Like how much healthy are they, which ingredients here are risky. So for example, there are some allergen risks, and then you can see all the details of that ingredient, and then you can see all the scientific sources, if it's risky or not. And then you can see some ingredients which have no risk, and based on all of that you have like some scoring method. And then you can just see all of the details and all of the guides, like how these products are rated. The cosmetics rating method is based on the analysis of all the ingredients contained in the product. Based on the present state of science, each ingredient is assigned a level of risk based on its potential or proven health effects: hazardous, moderate risk, limited risk, no risk. The risks associated with each ingredient are displayed in the product sheet, along with is associated scientific sources. We assess the risk levels by looking at the different effects the ingredient might have on health. So you can see all of that. Yep. And then basically, let me just show you how the scan process looks like. So here you just have the scanner and you need to scan the product. So I just downloaded like some, Google image. And then you can see that it's like some jungle oatso. That's some kind of food. You can see how much protein it has, fiber, saturated fat, sugar, but negatives, how much calories it has, and how much salt it has. Again, in this app you have two types of products. These are beauty products and food products, so just depending on that. So now you have food products. Then if I like it, I can just remove it to the favorite, like add it to favorites, and then I can have some food preferences. But that to access that feature, you need to do that. So member access allows you to configure food preferences: gluten-free, lactose-free, or palm olive oil-free. So you can have that. So let's just check out some other product. Oops. So yep, it doesn't work like that. I'm just trying to show you some more products just as an example. So let's try this one. Unknown product. Unknown product, because it only can scan food or beauty products. So anyways, let's just scan this. So scan. Anyway, so sometimes the scan doesn't work from the screen, but so for example, this one, you have for example, yeah, finally there is this chocolate bar, dark ginger crystallized. You can see this rating, you can see negatives: low content of cocoa, no organic, sugar, too sweet, saturated fat, and then there is some positives: no harmful additives, and that's about it. Also, I can just go to the history, and for example, I was looking for iceberg or something. I can see all of that, but the score is 37 out of 100, so it's not super great score. And then what I can go to recommendations. Hey, there is a better bird wash gel. So you can just, hey, there is nice recommendation, and then I can just search it here and then just find it. If I tap see all, I can just find it from here. Yeah, and also I can delete from history, or I can just go here. Yeah, that's the good one, and I add it to favorites. So that's basically the process. Here I have all the recommendations. I can just remove that from my history. So based on my search history, I search for this iceberg. That's a poor rating. Here I have better alternative. Like I heard for this gel or something, and then I have better alternative. So, and the same for food. That's why this app is really amazing. So you can just, you're going to supermarket and you're not sure if you need to buy it. You just scan it. Hey, this is a better product. Or maybe you found something online. You're really not sure if it's the right one, but you need a barcode. If you find a barcode, you scan it, and then, yep, that's just how it works. I don't know if you can add like so you can scan like this. You can enable flashlight if you need in the dark. Then you can see in your overview of your food how which food you scanned, which of this food is good or excellent. And then in your beauty you can also see this overview. You can see, okay, these are 2 excellent products. Some of them are poor, and this just helps you to manage all of this product in this way. Then the cool part is that you can search for any product. But yeah, this feature is only available for members. So members, what they can do, they can use offline mode, scan your items even if your phone has no signal, search any product by its name without having to scan it, food preferences, pay what you want. And that's really amazing because this is an open project. It's not not a project developed by some large enterprise to promote their own products with ads in this app or something. No, this is just like open source project. The minimum price is just $8.99 per year. So I think that's actually an amazing deal if you like shopping and if you care about your health and stuff. So yeah, maximum you can do $18.49 per year. And that's also really cheap, I think. Then you can just become a member, and that's not per month, that's per year. Yeah, it's a subscription payment, so it's not a one-time payment. This payment will auto renew next year, so something like that. So that's how it works. Yep, and when you have this search option, that's super powerful because a lot of people just shopping online. So then you are not sure if I want to buy these tomatoes or these cucumbers or this like salad, whatever. You can just search it here and find if it's really nice one or not. Then you just have an account. Yeah, you can become a premium member. You can invite a friend and become a premium member. Receive 30 days of access to the premium version of each subscriber. So that's a cool thing to do. Also, another aspect I'm not sure about is whether you can scan like only United States products, or can you do like all the European products, brands, and some other like Asian products. If you are traveling, does it work globally or not? So this aspect I'm just not sure about. Then of course you just have your history. You can see all your scans of history. You can just remove your history. You can see your favorites, bookmarks, and also if you tap in the top right, you can just reach out to the help section, to the support. So that's the idea. That's the overview of the app. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching again. Visit my blog, mrhack.io. I often do nice overviews of interesting apps and software. Check out my podcast, Mr. Hack, on Spotify, and see you in the next videos.